Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of Revel Nail United We Stand Dip Powder Kit. If you're new to my channel, I'm Cheraelsymone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. So Revel Nail sent me this kit to do a mani for them. I'm not sure if they use it, but I got free dip powders, so yay me. And I also thought I'd do a review on it as well, because why not? So this kit is a limited edition and it's called United We Stand. It's launching today, as in Tuesday the 16th of June 2020. This is for all you guys who want their 4th of July mani. So you should definitely get this kit. So in the kit you get 5 dip powders, which are this red dip powder known as Betsy. I've also swatched the powders for you guys so you could see if there is any difference when it's applied to the nail, and there really isn't much of a difference. Then we also have Liberty, which is this dusty dark blue dip powder. And here we have Independence, which is this semi-chunky multicolored red, blue and silver dip powder, which is so gorgeous and it's also my favorite. And here we have my second favorite dip powder in this kit, known as Justice, which is this blue dip powder with blue, red and silver shimmer in it. Then we have United, which is this white, blue and red glitter dip powder. So for today's design, I'll be using Justice, Independence and Betsy. So let's get right into the video. So I'm doing this design on my natural nails today. My pinky nail broke a while ago, so don't look at it. And my ring finger nail broke like 10 minutes before I was going to do this mani, when I was removing another set I did earlier, so it kind of ripped. And my nails aren't dirty, it's just that the powder I was using before, it was very pigmented, so it left some of the color on the underside of the nail. I tried to remove it, but it didn't work. So yes, before you just saw me placing Kiara Sky Bond to dehydrate my nails, and now I'm placing some Won't Peel Off base coat on my nails for easier removal. If you want to keep your design on for longer, you should skip this step. So now on the pinky nail, I'm using Betsy, which is this gorgeous red dip powder. This red reached full opacity on the first layer and it's not that pigmented, meaning it doesn't seem to run on other colors. I could be wrong, but I have some red dip powders that are really pigmented and you can't even do color block with it. It stains the nails so bad. But this one surprised me a bit. There was little to no stains on my nail. Then on the ring finger, I'm using Independence, which is really my favorite glitter so far from this kit. I don't really like United that much, but this one is really nice. I only did one layer of this, and as you could see, I didn't dip into the dip powder. I kind of placed my finger parallel to the glitter so that it could attach to it way better. So yeah, that's an advice. When you're dealing with chunky glitter, don't dip it, place your finger parallel to the glitter so that it could attach more of the glitter to the nail. Now on the middle finger, I'm using Justice, and I did a few layers. I think I did 2 or 3 layers, I'm not sure. So Revel reached out to me to do a mani for them using these colors. However, the package arrived only Friday, which was a few days late. It was supposed to be here since Tuesday or Wednesday. It wasn't anyone's fault. Yeah, so I did the mani and I sent it to them Saturday. So I don't know if they used the mani or not, but I appreciate that they asked me, so thank you, Revel. This was my second time doing this design. The first time I did it was an hour before doing it over. I had to do it over because some of the nails were cloudy and had bubbles in it. I was low-key depressed because all of that work I put in. Well, to be honest, it wasn't a lot because doing nails on your natural nails is way easier and less time is needed to do them. I do designs on my natural nails ever so often and I finished within an hour. I really like it. Anyway, I'm getting off track right here. So I had to do the design over. I'll insert a pic of the first design. When I showed my mother, she didn't really like the design. She thought it was too much. She was like, "Nah, sis, you're doing too much. That ain't it. Do that shit over." Well, she didn't say it quite like that, but you get the point. In retrospect, she was kind of right. I needed to chill with that design. Take it down a couple notches. So if you noticed before, I used the blue dip powder first to achieve this color block. That's because this glitter is way too chunky, so you may not get a straight line. Fine glitters are better to do color blocking, but this worked because I used the blue dip powder first. Then on the thumb, I'm just using the blue dip powder again. Then I encapsulated the nails with 2 layers of clear dip powder. On the glitter I did 3 layers and I ensured to apply activator between layers so that the clear wouldn't create any bubbles or look dull. Always remember to let your activator dry before applying your next layer of base because when base gets into contact with activator, it hardens the brush. Then, because I'm a creature of habit, I apply my activator again like usual and wait for it to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails, and now I have a choice as to whether I want to apply the powder top coat or gel top coat, and I chose gel top coat. Now, if you wanted to choose the powder top coat, you would apply some activator, wait a while, apply 1 layer of top coat with about 3 quick strokes, then wait about 1 minute and then apply another layer of top coat with slow and nice strokes. However, since I'm using gel top coat, I don't have to apply any activator. I just go right in with the top coat and I cure for 60 seconds. When the nails cool down, I apply my cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked this simple depowder design on my natural nails. So, if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on depowders. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys!